Behind us is a wonderful, energy-efficient, sustainable greenhouse for the school.
We are so excited to open our own very greenhouse. This is more than just a school project. It's a living, breathing classroom. It's where science meets service. It's where we'll grow not just plants, but skills, pride, and purpose.
Every single one of our 650 students will now have the opportunity to engage with the science of growing food, not just in theory, but through hands-on, real-world experience.
And we're proud for this remarkable new greenhouse that really fits perfectly with our sustainability efforts, but also in line with our climate action plan, one of the few entities that have it across the nation.
It's very energy efficient and very sustainable, and also much easier to climate control. And it has all the fancy climate control mechanisms that a commercial greenhouse has.
This greenhouse is going to open up so many opportunities for our students, pathways and learning outcomes that will ultimately spark a student's interest, whether that is in sustainability, agriculture, or STEAM.
This space will provide hands-on, practical education opportunities and leadership growth opportunities each day for our students. In addition, it will help feed our community and create healthy options while teaching our students how to do the work that happens here in their own homes.
Today, we're just not talking about plants. We're talking about an opportunity. We're talking about access. And we're talking about changing the narrative in our community.
The beautiful space you see today was made possible through the generous support of the DPS Bond and DPS Foundation. Thanks to their investment in our students and their belief in the power of education, we now have a state-of-the-art facility that will serve generations to come.
It's a high-tech greenhouse, and it's a really fancy, and people will love being here.